Hey YouTube, so I already disassembled the caliper and the caliper carrier, and I'm just cleaning out the rust on the hub. Make sure it's clean so it won't give you no issues. And I'll ran into an issue. My car for some reason didn't come with this set screw for the rotor. The ECS kit came with it, but actually no, not that one. Okay, here it is. But the hole on the factory bracket holder is rusted, or the hole is too small. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I mean, I went to the track without it, so I guess it's fine. All right, guys. So here it is. It's done, mounted. I actually was able to use the rear set screw and use it in the front. Don't worry, the rear one still has one as well. See the set screw? Now, I told you that this side didn't have any set screw, but the other side had a set screw from the factory. And Volkswagen, what's going on, guys? But here it is, the finished product. Now I'm gonna have to just clean her up. All right, guys, enjoy.